NORBIT explorers are driven by curiosity and passion, and we are proud to have pioneered a long range of groundbreaking innovations from subsea to space. Through our business unit, Product Innovation and Realization, we offer access to experienced R&D and production process engineers. NORBIT supply electronics made in Norway to leading industrial clients all around the world. Together with our clients, we are eager yet humble to explore and uncover even further opportunities. Sharing and learning is part of our culture. Combining your domain-specific knowledge with NORBIT skills and experience is how we bring new winning products and solutions into the hands of your clients. Together, we shape the future with technology. For more than 25 years, NORBIT has been a global provider of tailored technology to carefully selected niches. We are eager to join you on your next expedition. Where the future takes us depends on where you want to go. Together, we can explore more.